Sneezing is nature's surprising way of defending our bodies. When irritants like dust or pollen enter our noses, sensory nerves send a signal to the brain, triggering a protective reflex. The muscles in the chest and abdomen contract powerfully, expelling air along with the intruder at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Beyond its protective role, this reflex action is also relatable in everyday life when light exposure triggers some people to sneeze, a phenomenon called the photic sneeze reflex. A surprising fact is that sneezes can travel up to 26 feet, showing the impressive force and reach of this simple bodily function.